Hello guys, welcome to our channel Technical Rescue. So today in this video we will talk about what is affiliate marketing for beginners, what it is and how to succeed. So first of all we will discuss what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company product or services when someone purchase through your affiliate link. You earn a commission. These commission are usually a percentage of the sale price or a fixed amount. So why should you do affiliate marketing? Here are two reasons why you should uh, consider doing affiliate marketing: low cost and low risk, or easy to scale. So first, low cost and low risk. Starting a business can be risky and expensive because there are upfront costs for a product, employees, equipment, rent, etc. With affiliate marketing. Number second one is easy to scale. A typical salesperson only sell products from one company. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote a product from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. How does affiliate marketing work? Here are the example how it works. Someone visit your post on the best winter jacket. They click the Amazon affiliate link for no of your recommendations. They close their they close their uh, brow- browsers to pick their kid up for school. They go back to Amazon the next day to check out the product again. They buy a recommended product along with some ski gear. So the next is, uh, why should you do affiliate marketing? So why does affiliate marketing works, and how much money do affiliate marketers make? How to get started with affiliate marketing? Step 1, choose your niche. Your niche is the category you want to talk about and promote. To stand out amongst the countless other websites today, what am I good at? What do I like doing? What am I curious about? And what do other people tell me I am good at? It's hard to overstate the importance of choosing something you are passionate about. You will need to create a lot of content to succeed with affiliate marketing. Step 2, decide on a content platform. uh, you can do affiliate marketing on any platform. This includes website, YouTube, social media, uh, newsletters newsletters, or and podcast.